तो गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनलिज्म टॉपिक पर डिस्कस करेंगे। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनलिज्म बेसिकली एक मॉडर्न आइडियोलॉजी है। कुछ लोग इसे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन और कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनलिज्म को एक समझ लेते हैं, बट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन जो होता है वो एक बुक है रूल और रेगुलेशंस की, बट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनलिज्म एक आइडियोलॉजी है जो हमें बताती है कि हमें सरकार पर रिस्ट्रिक्शंस रखने चाहिए। जिस भी कंट्री में अकाउंटेबल गवर्नमेंट होती है, लोगों के पास फ्रीडम होती है, उनकी डिग्निटी मेंटेन करती है वो फ्रीडम, वहाँ पर हम बोल सकते हैं कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनलिज्म है। अब इसके कुछ बेसिक प्रिंसिपल्स होते हैं जैसे सेपरेशन ऑफ पावर्स, रिस्पॉन्सिबल एंड अकाउंटेबल गवर्नमेंट, रूल ऑफ लॉ। फोर्थ वन इज इंडिपेंडेंट जुडिशरी, फिफ्थ वन इज इंडिविजुअल राइट्स एंड सिक्स्थ फ्रीडम, seventh prohibition of unlawful detention, and eighth is dignity of individuals, and ninth is prohibition of excessive taxation. It is also important in constitutionalism. Every country have a constitution, but does every country has a constitutionalism? If these principles are there in their constitution, then only we can say that the constitution have a constitutionalism. Okay, then we discuss about their principles. First principle, separation of power. As we see in India, we have a separation of power. Our powers of government is divided in three organs: legislature, executive and judiciary. So we can say that in India, in Indian constitution, we have a constitutionalism. Second one is responsible and accountable government. We elect our government, as we know that we elect our government, so the government has to have accountable for us. Or if its laws and regulations which the government made is not as per our requirement, we can re-elect the government. It's our power. So we can say that in India, we have a responsible and accountable government. Third one is rule of law. As we see in India, everyone is equal before law. Okay, if it's a common people or an officer. So mainly, rule of law is very important in constitution. If your constitution has to have a constitutionalism, then it has rule of law also. Fourth one is independent judiciary. It is also a basic principle of constitutionalism. You have to have independent judiciary which are independent from executive and legislature. It has worked differently from those organs. It's very basic in constitutionalism because independent judiciary is basically give you the rights to protect your dignity or freedom, everything. So independent judiciary is very important because as we all know, Plato also says that justice is very important for the country. So if we want justice, if we have our country justifiable, then you have to have an independent judiciary. Fifth one is individual rights. As we all know, for the dignity of a human or an individual, you have to give an individual right to everyone. So in a constitution, if there is a fundamental right or individual rights, then we can say that the constitution have a constitutionalism. Okay. Then freedom, you have to give your individuals freedom so they can grow. So simply you have to have freedom also for the individuals. Prohibition of unlawful detention. As we all know that you can't detain. Okay, you can't detain a person unlawfully. ठीक है? In our constitution, it is said that you can't detain a person unlawfully. You have to have that in your constitution there is a prohibition of unlawful detention. Okay. Then eighth is dignity of individual. You have your constitution have to